Episode 2 is spin the wheel, build a fit, and I can explain how it works. You'll see as we go along. Come on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this fit is probably gonna be atrocious. But let's put it on. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be terrible. And here's the fit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I definitely thought this dress shirt was gonna fit me better than it does. Hold on, hold on, wait, why is it like? The thing that I think is messing up the fit is the do-rag, simply because my hair I have long hair, or decently long hair. Do-rags look good if I have a hoodie on. I just happen to get lucky in episode 1. I mean, I'll give it a 6.3 out of 10. But here's the fit, rated 1 through 10 in the comments. And don't forget to make sure you vote in the poll. Like for episode 3.